Hello everyone, it's Ricky from the Backyard Builder, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a storage shed easily. This is a 4x10 shed plan that you can build yourself at home. So here are the tools and materials you will need for this project. Now there's quite a few things, so what I would recommend is that you stop the video or pause it, print this out, write it down, and get everything you need before starting this project. You will need a few tools, as you can see, so just ensure that you have that. Alright, now that you've paused it and copied this down, let's move on to the instructions. So first is the foundation. You want to create the foundation for the shed by leveling the ground and bury a foundation block at each corner. Miter cut the 4x6 boards to make the perimeter frame for the floor base. Make sure the frame is level all the way around. Lay another beam inside the foundation lengthwise. Fasten to the perimeter with framing nails. Next, you want to cover the platform with decking boards to make the floor. Cut the boards to size. Ours are 47 to 6/8 inch. You want to lay them across the frame and fasten them with framing nails. And you want to frame the walls 16 inches on center using 2x4s and a framing nailer. Assemble to the framing on the ground, then attach it to the foundation. You can also nail the siding onto the framing while the walls are lying flat and then fasten the framing to the foundation. We did it both ways. Our shed has a pitched roof higher on one end to accommodate the pitch. We extended the two side walls and front wall with extra framing. Make sure you leave adequate space for the door and jamb. Now you want to cut 6 2x4s to size for the ceiling joists. We cut ours long to extend over the front of the shed. To accommodate the pitched roof, the 2x4s need to be lowered on the back wall and higher on the front wall. The back ends of all 6 joints will need to be notched to fit flush with the back wall header. To determine the depth and angle of the notch, hold a rafter up at the end of the building and align the bottom of the rafter with the top of the front wall. On the back wall, drop the rafter about 3/4 inch below the top of the wall and trace the top plate of the back wall onto the rafter. You want to cut the notch out, or also known as a bird's mouth, with a jigsaw. And you want to use the first joist to trace the notch pattern onto the remaining joists. The notched rafters provide a flat area to lay the roof upon. Set the rafters on the top of the back and front walls and fasten with a framing nailer. Now the roof. You want to cut the 1/2 inch plywood to size to cover the roof and fasten them. You want to lay roofing paper over the plywood and secure it. Starting at the roof's lowest point, nail the roofing material on top of the paper. And now finally the doors. You want to install the door and shim and level as necessary. Screw to the studs and use the 1x4 lumber to trim the door, roof line, and the 4 corners of the shed. And that is it. That is all 7 steps to building a storage shed of your own. This is a great project because it'll help you with storage space. And it's very simple. It doesn't take much time to build a shed. It's easy storage space. And now I have a special offer for you here. And do you want 12,000 shed plans? Well, in the link in the description, I have where it leads to easy and done for you guide shed plans with step-by-step Lego instructions. They make great weekend projects that are super fun. They take very little time. They're great money savers on storage. So you don't have to go out and buy a storage unit that you barely use and then you have to drive and back and forth to get the stuff you need. With this, it's right in your backyard and it's very easy. And this requires no skills to build a shed. You can do it as a beginner or an advanced. So click the link in the description to find out more. And also, I have another link that leads to my review of this product called Ryan's Shed Plans. You can watch my review and decide if you want to hop in yourself. So that is all for today's video. I hope this helped you out. Go out and try and build a shed of your own. It's a great project for a weekend. And now that it's getting warm out, this is the perfect time to do it. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Check the links in the description. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.